How to turn off trending searches on Google. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can turn off the trending searches on Google. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, simply make sure that you have downloaded the Google app, and over here, if I go ahead and show you what the issue is, if I go ahead and open up Google, you have basically some of the discovery settings over here, but if you tap on the search box, you'll be able to see trending searches. So these are some of a list of all the trending searches right now. And what you want to do is, let's say that you want to actually remove the trending searches, and it's very simple to actually remove this. All you have to do is you have to come back and then tap on the profile icon on the top right corner, and then you have to go to settings. Once we go to settings, go to the option called general at the top. And over here, once we come to the general tab, you'll find this option which says autocomplete with trending searches. So you can read it, which says trending searches include popular searches in your area. In order to turn off trending searches, all you have to do is turn off this toggle right over here. And once you turn off this toggle, you can basically come back. Now if we go ahead and then reload the Google app, you'll be able to see that we do not have any type of trending searches. It basically shows only the empty area with your search history. And similarly, if you want to turn it back on again, repeat the same process. Tap on settings, go to general, and turn on autocomplete with trending searches. And this is how you can turn off trending searches on Google. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.